Why do dentists choose our product? Why do we have this customer base that we have that's stuck with us for all these years? Well, the bottom line is customer service. Obviously, our product is very good. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been in business all these years. But the reasons are, of course, very effective tooth whitening material from all the research that I've done through the years, and the ease for the patient to use it. The twist and seal syringe is cutting edge in the industry. It's user friendly. In other words, it's easy for the patient to use. It's airtight, so the shelf life is exceptional. And there's no waste that you typically have with the normal syringe.